Peace and blessing, peace and blessings. If you're watching this video right now, you're in the right place at the right time, especially if you're an entrepreneur or a business owner or a future entrepreneur or a future business owner. You want to be able to look at this marketing platform that is amazing, amazing called Builderall, right? So I want to show you how this marketing platform got a lot of amazing tools. But the tool I want to focus on today will be right here with the website Chatbot. And I'm going to show you how, if you have a business or product or service, how you can create a flow and lead people to where you want to lead them to when it comes down to your services, your opportunity, your social media platforms, anything like that. You can use this website chatbot for, or even if you have an Instagram, anything, you want to be able to learn how to create this website, especially if you learn how to use my QR code strategy with it as well. So this is the ebook that I'm going to use within it. It's my How to Fix Your Credit on that online ebook. I like to get my images for my chatbot, whatever one I'm trying to create. I like to get it from pixels.com. That's where I got the money picture that you're going to see in my training video. And these are my blogs that I have at tmigeneration.com/blogs. Amazing, amazing blogs that you can really find some helpful information on. Check it out whenever you get a chance, right? So let's go back right here. And like I said, want to go down to where website chatbot. I already got it open at the top. So we're going to break this down and slide some of this stuff to the side. I know a lot of you like, boy, what is this going on? Trust me, it's simple than you think. All right. So when you're creating a chatbot, it's really not so hard when it's time to build it. It's actually when you kind of want to look at what flow you want to take the person on. You got to think of yourself as your customer or the visitor that's looking at your chatbot, right? What question will you ask it to take people on the flow? You got to get creative. So for me, like I said, I'm going to be giving information about credit today. So I wanted to make this quick chatbot for you just to show you how it can work and how you can utilize it. And then if you become part of Builderall, in the descriptions below, send me a message and I can show you some of my chatbots as well. And I can even send you some of mine so you can just change them out and I already have it set for you. So just let me know. But when you start in this, okay, you want to click right here. I usually put my images at the top because when people come to see things, it kind of remind me of the television. Like you're scrolling down, it ain't really coming from the bottom. It's coming from the top, right? So I chose an image for credit and I created a question. Are you looking for information about credit, right? You can use emojis if you want to at the end of it, like how you see I did, but you see how I created two buttons. Yes and no, right? So after I created those yes and no button, I gotta create a whole another button for yes if the person clicked through, right? So now when I click on that, you have to click text answers because you want to be able to change this at the bottom. And I'm going to tell you why. So let's click back on this. You scroll down and change this to user underline name because when that person answer whatever question that you may put to get their name, you want to make it more a personalized experience. When somebody's seeing their name and stuff like that, it makes them feel good. So you want to be able to put something in there that you can be able to familiar them with the bot. So as you can see, after the person clicked yes, wow, that's amazing to see someone that truly cares about their credit. We are about to be family. What is your name? See how I put that down, right? Same thing for no. I'm just gonna put I'm sorry to hear that, but you know our credit is very vital to our life. I can give you more info. What is your name? Same thing. I'm putting down here, right? Because you got to have it taking them on the flow. So now when they answer either yes or no, I still want them to go past that when they answer because it's going to have a name. So you want to click right here and you want to make sure when you put it in the message, like I put nice to meet you, you want to put those symbols behind the username right here to be able to get the person name. Once they put their name in there, If you don't have these symbols on the end of this user underline name, it's not going to have their name pop up, and it can mess up the flow for you, right? So as I showed you earlier with the credit repair ebook and my blogs that I'm using for this demonstration, and you want to add your link or your step, I would say link, because see, when it comes down to this credit repair, I got it right here, you can have it as a step or a link. I want them to go to my website, so I'm going to put link. Same way with my blogs. I want them to go to the link. Now, you can take them on other flows if you want to get their email, their phone number, or things of that nature. The bigger the bot that you build, the more expensive that you can really charge somebody for the development for, in my opinion. So you can go up here, right? Let's click on settings because I want you to see this. You can put your thumbnail right here. You can change the color of your bot, the text message, the buttons. You can change the typing color, all of that. You can even change the font. Look at this, the font size on this, right? Powerful. So let's just preview real quick. Let's see. Let's preview. Let's see what we cooked up. But it's amazing that I'm in 2023 and I can be able to create a bot. I remember when we used to have MySpace back in the day, it was coding. I couldn't think of nothing right now to code. And that's why I'm so blessed to still be a part of Builderall because it's so user friendly, man. So, all right, we're here. Are you looking for information about credit? Yes. Wow. It's amazing to see someone that truly cares about their credit. We're about to be family. What's your name? Larry, man. Larry. Nice to meet you, Larry. Here are some information that can help you. And boom, it'll take them to the credit repair ebook. And they ain't even talk to me. That's what makes this so powerful. They didn't even talk to me. And if I put my QR code on the end of this, man, it's a wrap. Just think about putting it on your marketing platform or your Facebook, Instagram, anything of that nature. And it sit up there and bring people to it. The thing taking too long to load up. I ain't even waste our time like that. But let's go back to the builder. But just think about how powerful that is that you didn't even have to talk to nobody and it brought them straight there. So let's go back to the flow builder. Mm, 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 mm. So we're going back to the original spot that we just was at creating the bot, right? So this is something that's very, very powerful as well. Once you come up here where it says collect data. Now you see this. Anytime I done put my name in here, you got the username. So imagine if I had put the email, the date, the time, anything. All of that'll be over here. All of that'll be over here. That's very, very powerful, right? So that's a quick little review of how to create a chatbot, man. It's very, very powerful, and you need to utilize the tools on this amazing platform as well. Let's go back out here. Now, I also like to show people this, and a lot of times with any business, it's it's not necessarily hard to do, but it's going to require some work. It's not no get rich quick or none of that. Now you have to really want to learn, and they have a great community of people that's willing to teach if you're willing to learn. So let's go down here. This is what I have earned since I've been a part of this, right? So right now I have $68 on hold, and I have been paid over $14,000. And yeah. So this amazing platform, I would love for you to connect with me and be a part of my team. You have any questions, concern, please feel free to, leave them in the description below. I'm going to put some information in there that'll help anybody that truly wants to get started, it will help them. So before we get out of here, let me take you on a couple of trips real quick. Let me go back to the site bot. Let me go to these flows because I want to show you one of my my bots that I built. I love this bot because it breaks down so much about the platform and it helps me out so much. So I'm gonna go right here to the Builderall chatbot, right? And I know when I open this and y'all gonna see all them things in there like, Larry, man, you were building all that? And you did. Yes, I'm building all of that. So let's see. Don't get alarmed by all that. Like I told you, you can really build a big old bot, right? So let's just go into the preview. Let me show you how my body is with Builderall. If it load up, because I know I have a lot on this particular bot. This is one of my top bots that I use, so we're gonna see what it gonna do. But I definitely appreciate you if you've been watching this video up until this point. Thank you so much for your time. And I hope I have brought a lot of value to you when it comes down to creating a chat bot or even just using this amazing platform. So you said, welcome, I am Mr. Chat, Larry William, personal assistant. I would love to discuss Builderall with you. All right, so we're gonna say I'm ready. And you see, I got my colors, I got all that stuff in there, right? Mr. William loves to connect with like-minded individuals that don't fear taking action. He believes that more entrepreneurs as well as businesses would thrive more if they had resources like Builderall. I truly believe that. Before moving forward, what is your name? Say Larry. It's truly a pleasure to meet you, Larry. I know you will love Builderall, and I look forward to your success story. You can learn the same things here that you would learn from college, but cheaper. Click below for a free interview. All right, person say I'm ready. Larry, what is your main goal with Builderall? Starting an online business, using the Builderall tools for my business, or test it out for free. So that right there is just really showing you like the power in this platform, right? And I'm gonna show you something even better. Like if I go to this embedded code right here, you can take this embedded code, this whole code, you can put it inside of your website and Builderall and have your bot on your website as well. But if you didn't want to put it on your website, you can simply click in between the parentheses right there. Take that. I'm gonna see if it's gonna load up for me with all this stuff in. And you see the QR code I was telling you about, right? So I'm gonna try to open up a new tab and I'm gonna paste it. Let's see. Boom. There you go. I just showed you how you can put it on your website. I just showed you how you can not have to put it on your website and still be able to put it on there. So truly pray that this training have been a service to anybody that's really watching it and want to grow their business and grow within Builderall. Like I said, I would love to connect with you. Please click like on this, share this with somebody, please. I appreciate it. It's all about sharing and caring because a lot of people don't know this information, and that's why some of us are so behind because we don't know this information. So please, if you know anybody that is in search of marketing tools, business tools, and want to just quickly learn, send them my way or send them this video. Thank you so much for your time. This is Larry Williams, Mr. TMI Generation, signing off.